So let's see now some outline for thesis, dissertation, and proposal. So what is, first of all, a thesis proposal? So a thesis proposal is an outline of your proposed project that is designed to define a clear question and approach to answer it, highlight its originality and or significance, explain how it adds to, develops, or challenges existing literature in the field, and then persuade the potential supervisor why you are the right person to undertake it. So this is really answering the question that has been outlined in this slide. But let's see some example, right? So there is no absolute standard format for a thesis proposal, because actually everything depends on the institution that you are enrolled in, and also the state that you are actually carrying out your proposal. Because indeed, I can assure you that at least in the states where I mainly lived, I started my scientific career, they have very different rules. So each university, therefore, has its own preferred format. You can check with your university website to see if they recommend any specific format guidelines, but you can also, and especially, talk with your supervisor to know in advance, actually, which is the format for you also to prepare and start preparing, not to leave everything at the last moment to then be stressed. So research proposal might also vary in length, so it is important to check with your department, and the supervisor can always help you out in that. And generally speaking, a proposal should be around the 3,000 words. So a thesis proposal is somewhat similar to other form of academic writing, because ideally it should include the following sections. So it has an introduction, it has a literature review that complements this introduction, and then it answers research questions and hypotheses, outlining out also the objectives, the methodology, that is also important, the outcome and significance, so describe what you think the supposed outcome will be, and explain how it will add to the existing knowledge of the field, is a sort of impact of your research study for the scientific community, and then the time frame, right? So you need always to mention a tentative time frame for the project, and how you plan to work within that time frame. And that is always, you need to write everything to usually enroll into the master or PhD course, and therefore this is a way that the university might screen as well your intention, and talk with your supervisor in case something needs then to be changed.